Alright, so I'm going to show you guys the input method for MLS Season 2 and why we have to structure the game post to, post your match that you just won this way. It's going to take a little bit getting used to, and it's a little bit more than last season, but it's going to make it easier on the people inputting the game, probably me for a long time, if not indefinitely. Might ask some people to help if they feel like doing it. We'll see. But for now, this is the way you have to post the game. You're going to post a new topic with the player names in it. And then on your first post, you're going to set up the stats just like this. And you're going to attach the replay. You have to attach the replay and put the stats in the first post. Nothing else is to be in the first post. And then the second post is going to contain your screenshot and any kind of information you want to leave for me or whoever else might be helping with the MLS. So like someone left the game early, blah, blah, blah. So I'll go ahead and explain a little bit here. So I changed the names on here from to here just for testing wise on my side. Of course, when you go to post a game, the first stat is going to be 30 Berserker instead, so that's what this is going to say instead of extreme. But anyways, so as you can see, this information up here correlates to what's down here in the screenshot. So 31, 32, and 0. 31, 32, and 0. You guys don't have to worry about that. That's calculations done on the map, the new league map, and everything. So that's the way you have to post. We will be putting guidelines on how to post this, and if you don't follow it to the letter, and even if you typo, we're gonna have to penalize it. The first few times you do it, if it's just a typo, we'll let it go by. But if you keep having problems, we're gonna have to start penalizing on it because it has to be on this format, and I can't go through and edit people's mistakes and things like that. So the first few times, we'll let it slide, maybe with a little slap on the hand, but if you keep doing it, we're going to have to address the issue. I'll show you why we have to do it this way. So the program I wrote, all I have to do really is copy the URL of the topic that I want to put in the game, and go to my program, put in the URL, I click import stats, it's going to take me to the web page again, in a format that I can read, and then closes it, and now I have the stats. And I'll go ahead and click export stats. Oh, I'm sorry, I clicked the wrong thing. Hang on one second. This is going to run through for a second. Alright, so I'm going to redo that. So do that. Now I'm going to go right here. And then I'm going to click export stats. And then it's going to automatically input the information from my program, tell me that it's done, and then all I have to do is click assign numbers, and I've got the players now. So what we did here is we assigned the players in the spreadsheet from the program, and we spit it out into the document, and it put all that into one long string of information here. And if I click input, it's going to go through and it's going to input the game. That's fine, it did it properly. And then we're going to go to 30 Extremes page, and this is the game we just input. You got a game ID is number 21. They won. He got 31 kills, 30 deaths, 2 flags, 0 bonuses. Their team score was 165. The opponent's score was 222. His partner for that game was Rampage. His opponent was Skid and Atlas. And that's the information that it pulls and it grants us, so we can put it into one big spreadsheet in here. And it'll put their games, the worst opponents, the best opponents, the best scores they got, the totals, statistics, blah blah blah, and everything like that. But like I said, we have to make sure that everyone posts the exact same way for it to work that way. It's a lot quicker. If everyone does it properly and everything, I can input it one game every 15, 20 seconds. So, I mean, it'll take me no time to get through a whole day's worth of gaming if we do it this way. So, that's what to look forward to. Thanks for watching.